Okay, so now that I have this thing turned around, what I'm going to check for now is to make sure my condenser fan's running, which it is, and to see if my compressor's running. I can feel it vibrating. If you want to double check that, you can throw your meter on it and see if 120 volts is going to it. And if it is, and you feel it vibrating, then you know your compressor's trying to pump at least. So what I'm going to do now is check the low side pressure and see what it's running at. It should run right around 10 to 15 pounds of pressure. Let's see what we're at here. See, we're all the way negative about 22. See if I can focus that in. If that'll focus, if you can see that. There it is. We're right about negative 22. So it is pretty much all the way out of Freon. So what this unit's going to need is a Freon charge. So since there's no Freon in it, there's nothing I can recover. So I'm going to throw a vacuum pump on it, which pulls out all the air, gets all the contaminants, all the liquid out. Run that for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then I'm going to actually weigh in the charge and fill it back up with Freon. Okay, now for the next part of this step, what we're going to do is grab our charging cable off our gauge. We still have our low side hooked to our gauge. We're going to put it onto our vacuum pump. Go ahead and turn it on. And we're going to open our valve up. We're going to let this pull a vacuum for about 20 to 30 minutes. That's just going to pull all the air, any moisture that's built up in there, so that we have a clear system to start with, so we can start charging our system up with the 134 Freon.